In this video, I'll show you how to build your own WhatsApp chatbot for business using n8n. First, install and set up n8n, either on your computer or a server. You can also use n8n.cloud if you prefer a hosted version. Next, you'll need the WhatsApp Business API provider like Meta's Cloud API or services such as Twilio. Copy your credentials, like the phone number ID, access token, and WhatsApp business account ID. Open your n8n editor and create a new workflow. Add the webhook trigger node to receive incoming messages from WhatsApp. Then add the HTTP request node connected to the WhatsApp API. This will send replies back to user. You can now add logic like text responses, frequently asked questions, or even connect it to Google Sheets, CRMs, or AI tools to make it interactive. Save and activate your workflow. Then send a message to your WhatsApp business number. Your chat box should now respond automatically. Once everything works, you can deploy it for customers to use.